I am doing lady's finger fry with less oil.
After that, lady's finger cut it into small pieces and fry well. See, we have to cut this lady's finger like this, small pieces, and fry well for 10 minutes in the medium flame only. First fry well for 2 to 3 minutes in high flame. After that, reduce the flame to medium. You can first fry like this. After that, leave for, so first flame down the flame first, and next close the lid. Now close the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. It will cook well. After that, we has to fry again. See, 2 minutes finished. Now fry again. See, mix well so that it will cook. With less oil we can fry lady's finger. It is very well tasty. So we have to, I am adding less oil, that is 3-4 spoons of oil only. Now open the lid and again mix well with the spoon, so it will fry again. You should not leave to 5 minutes for a long time. So we have to mix 2 to 3 times while it was frying. Close again the lid. Now it was half cooked. Add cut pieces of onion to this to get more taste of the lady's finger. Now mix well. So it will take again 2 to 3 minutes or more than 2 to 3 minutes, because onion should fry now. See, open the lid and mix again. See whether it was cooked or not. Has to cook some more. So leave it for 5 minutes in low flame. Close the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. See friends, now it was cooked well. See, so in this stage we should add salt. Add some salt, sufficient salt to this, and mix well. Close the lid 2 minutes. After that, add chilli powder. See, now it was well cooked. In this time, add chilli powder. I am adding half spoon chilli powder. See, half spoon chilli powder. And mix well. Now this lady's finger fry was having salt and chili, roasted chili powder. So lady's finger fry was ready now. Mix well and get off the stove and close the lid. Now the lady's finger fry was ready to serve.
Please like, share and subscribe my channel friends.